5 watches to start 2024 with the right foot. If you want to start the new year by buying a new watch, or you just want to waste some dough on a really great watch, these 5 options will actually work for you. This is a watch that almost every time I recommend, I get really great responses. Firstly, we have the high quality of Seiko. The construction is great. We have high quality materials, and of course we have a Seiko GMT movement. Firstly, this watch was a bit expensive, but now the prices have adjusted, and so now you can find it for under $800, which to me makes this a perfect watch to start the year. We have different colors and new versions. I haven't had the new versions yet, but I'm talking about the first versions, which were exquisite. Blue, orange, black colors. We have the bracelet, which was super comfortable, and of course we have the classic Seiko design with the SKX case, which makes this a watch that is perfect if you don't have a big budget but you want to spend some money on a watch that is high quality. This is the best option. Then number 4, we have the Hamilton Murph 38. This is the new version of the Hamilton Murph. The previous version was 42mm in diameter. Now Hamilton made the correct call, or the right call, and made it 38mm, which makes this watch a really great option because it's more versatile. You can wear it anywhere. You can wear it for formal attire, you can change the strap and wear it for a more casual attire, and it's a really high quality timepiece that Hamilton gives us. The price is a bit high since it's a new launch. It's under $1,000, which you know, with some discounts and some haggling, you can get it a little bit lower. But I believe if you want a high quality timepiece and you want to invest in that high quality timepiece to start the year, the Hamilton Murph 38mm is a great watch. The number 3 is the Bulova Lunar Pilot 43. I really love this watch, and I think Bulova made the right call as well to do the 43mm version. The 45mm was way too big, and I think the new version is really good. We have 2 color versions, the cream and blue, like the Snoopy theme, or the classic black one. And I really think that this is a high quality piece. For starters, it comes with an extra strap and a bracelet. Everything made with quick release spring bars, so you can change the straps and don't scratch your watch at all. The watch is really high quality because we have really great materials. Of course, everything is made out of steel, but we have sapphire glass and a high beat quartz movement, which makes this watch really high quality. It is a comfortable watch. I'm not gonna tell you it's the most comfortable because it's still big, it's still 43mm, but it is a watch that works, that is versatile, and that it's a beautiful, that also has all of that story about NASA and the space and the moon, which I personally love, and this is one of my favorite watches of this list. You can find the Bulova Lunar Pilot for under... It was firstly really highly priced, under $1,000. Now the prices have adjusted and I've seen it for under $600, which it's actually a really great investment if you want this watch to start the 2024 year. Now number 4 is literally any Seiko 5 watch. Yes, I know we returned to the Japanese house, but they're focused on giving us quality timepieces. The Seiko 5 line has a lot of different versions. I actually want to do the review of the Seiko 5 38mm. I haven't had the chance, but there is a lot of options, sizes, colors. You can get some with bracelets, you can get some with straps, you can get a diver type, you can get a flieger, you can get a field watch. So there is a lot of options here, and you can trade straps. And of course, this is a really well built watch. This is a versatile watch, and it's of course of the highest quality. And number 5 is my favorite watch from last year, which is the Tissot Heritage 1938. And of course, we have a visitor. I really believe I do not have to explain why, but I will anyway. This is this is a really beautiful watch. The salmon dial is out of this world. Tissot has knocked it out of the park with this release, and the salmon dial really is amazing. It is versatile, even though it doesn't look like it. It is a really versatile watch that you can combine with different straps, different colors. It is a really value-oriented watch, because yeah, you can find it for under $1,000. Maybe, you know, after some discounts, some haggling, you can lower it a little bit more, but it is a really value-oriented watch. Firstly, of course, the salmon dial is ridiculously beautiful. Second, we have the ETA movement, which is ridiculous. We get a variation of 0.5 seconds a day, which it's ridiculous for the price point of this watch. And of course, everything is encased in a 39mm case, which makes this watch super comfortable, super elegant, and one of the best value propositions of the year. And I think this would be a great watch to invest some money to start 2024. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you like it and buy some of the options that I gave you, and have a great new year.